Okay, Joe, here we go. For setting assignments on Pearson, sign in to your Pearson account, google.org/Pearson. Your automatic sign in should be here. I have yours still. I'll erase it after this demo. You come to EasyBridge. It shows that we have all of your classes right here. ELA 12, Period 1, Period 4, Period 5, and Period 6. These are also guaranteed Semester 2 classes, and they all have the correct grade level curriculum assigned to them. My Perspectives, ELA grade 12. Alright, so we go to Realize, and now on Realize, you can browse through the curriculum to find what you want. So we're in ELA 12, and as we're scrolling around, say you want to assign a new assessment, a selection test. You're doing Unit 6 here. Now we already have assigned, I think I skipped ahead, shooting an elephant. So for a test here, selection test, online, back to my own country. Right here, you hit assign, and then the start date would be whatever date you want to start, and then the due date is, it can be the same day or it can be a day in the future for when you want to give kids the opportunity to complete it beyond. So say for instance you wanted to assign it tomorrow, you could start it today, but you wanted to actually leave the completion open for a full week. You could do that. Now, for entering the class, to find your classes, that's right over here, you're clicking the name given by PowerSchool. So those were those classes I ID'd on EasyBridge. So I searched for them under E. English right here, English 12B 5, 6. So you would just highlight the classes and then do the same search again. English 12B period 6, semester 2, period 1, English, we want period 6 as well, and I know you have 4 classes, so we do this 4 times, and there you go. There's your classes, and then you can go ahead and assign it, pressing there. Now I'm not going to press that because then it would assign it. Alright? And we don't want to really do that. However, we can check the one that I already assigned. Now we go back to the opening page of Realize under your classes. Scrolling down, you've got here, so that's a semester 1 class. We don't want that. We don't want any of these semester 1 classes. Your semester 2 classes are right here. And say period 4, you can see, yep, we already assigned it. This is how many students have completed. You will actually go through this passage to then start gathering your data. But at the PLC meeting on Tuesday, you got a slideshow with links for showing the data. So that's how you can do it from now on. Everything should be set up for you for any additional Pearson assigned assessments. You should be good to go. All right, hope this helps. Bye.